my. It's the dun. I still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit.
Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel French with Adi. Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? You must be thinking why I'm asking you these questions. Because this is what we will study in our today's session. That is, how to say, how are you? In French. Right? Here, we have categorized it into two categories. That is, informal way and formal way to ask, how are you in French? So, starting with the first category, that is informal one, and our first sentence is comment ça va? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? How are you? Right? Next one. Tu vas bien? Tu vas bien? Tu vas bien? Are you okay? Are you fine? Right? Next one. Ça va? Ça va? Are you okay? Are you fine? Now moving to the second category, that is formal way. First sentence is comment allez-vous? What? Comment allez-vous? Here we are making the use of liaison. That is, we are combining the sound of T and A. Ta. Comment allez-vous? We are doing so because here the word after comma is allez, and it is starting with the letter A, and it is a vowel. So in this case, we have to combine the sounds of T and A, right? Because here the first word is comma, which is ending with the letter T, and the second word, which is allez, which is starting with the letter A. So we will combine the sound of T and A, that is ta. Comment allez-vous? How are you? It is the pure formal way to ask how are you in French. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Right? Next one. Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? It is a semi-formal way to ask how are you in French. We mostly use it when we are asking a friend how are you, or when we are asking a colleague or the people at work how are you. That is when we use comment vas-tu. It is a semi-formal way. Right? Let's revise it again. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Tout va bien? Tout va bien? Ça va? Ça va? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu, monsieur? Comment vas-tu, mademoiselle? Right? This is all about how are you in French. So, in our next video, we will learn how to respond these questions. Till then, if you have any query or doubt, then please do write in our comment section and we will definitely revert you back. Till then, au revoir et à bientôt. Merci.
Money, I ain't here for the fame, though it might be nice to own a jet plane. I'ma do it all for you.